guys, we're gonna paint a purple unicorn today. So I've got my two little daughters here and we're gonna show you how we made this little purple unicorn. So go ahead and grab water, a medium brush, some watercolor paper, and we'll get started. So we're gonna start with some pink, guys.
Is this pink, Mom?
Yeah. So we're gonna start by making the head of the unicorn with some pink. I'm gonna start in the center of our paper. I'm gonna try to make this head shape. And then we're gonna come down to make the neck. Something like this. All right, so after we have the head and the neck, we're gonna fill it all in, and then we're gonna move on to some purple. Good job. Okay, so we'll make some purple. So we'll make some bangs on the top of the head. That'll be her fluffy unicorn hair. And then we're gonna go down with some oval shapes to make the mane of the unicorn. It's called the mane hair. Good job, good job. And at the bottom it'll have like a little ponytail looking piece. Okay. So everyone have the little ponytail at the bottom? Good job. Keep going. There you go. And then fill this part in a little bit. Good job. All right. And we'll get our brush wet. And then, actually, let's move to a smaller brush. Let's find a little pointy brush.
With this?
Uh-huh. Right here. And then back to the purple. We'll go ahead and add a little nose. Good job. And then we'll add an eye that's closed. So just a line, an oval line, and maybe some little eyelashes. Okay. If your pink is still wet, it's going to bleed a little bit, but we can come back and fix it. Okay, so after that, we'll go ahead to some turquoise with the small brush. Some turquoise, put some water on that. And then we will go ahead and make her unicorn horn. So it's going to be really pointy at the end. And then it's going to be little ovals the same way that we did the mane. So pointy at the end.
It's like there's a Christmas tree when it goes down.
Yeah, it does look a little bit like a Christmas tree, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Christmas tree shape.
Yeah.
Okay, now I think we'll go back and we'll start adding some flowers in blue.
Is this blue?
Yes.
I'm gonna wash it.
Okay, getting ready with the blue. So around the bottom of her neck, we'll put a few flowers, some just kind of circle shapes. And we'll add the detail in a little bit. And then a little past her hair. Add a little flower. And then while this is wet, we'll add some purple to it to fill in the center of it. And it's okay if they touch and bleed together. And then you can even add a little bit of purple on the blue to fill in the flowers. Good flowers. Good job, guys. And then if we need to fix our unicorn eye, we can add some water. And look how it kind of erases it.
That's so cool.
Yeah, so if your eye got a little too big, you can kind of erase it out.
Mine got a little too big.
Mine got a little too big too because it was bleeding together. So we'll put a little water and we'll erase that out and we'll let it dry. Okay, just on the eye if you want it to be a little smaller. Let's see.
Maybe if you just...
It's kind of like a little eraser, huh? Okay, so let's let that dry. Let's go back to our small brush. And let's get some green so we can add some leaves. Okay.
Could I make it the eye again?
Let's let it dry so it doesn't make it too big, okay? Let's add some little leaves with your little brush.
Okay.
It's a little wreath around the unicorn. Like almost as if she has one of those awards for that ponies get, you know, at a pony show.
Yeah, it's just like that.
And we're almost done. This unicorn's pretty fast. Good job. And then one of my favorite parts after we get the leaves is we're going to get this really pretty light blue color. And these are going to be pony highlights. This pretty light blue.
Is that okay if I make my little mane a little bit bigger?
Yeah. If you need to add to your mane or fill in the neck, you can. And then I'm going to go ahead and start adding these light highlights to the hair.
The highlights?
The highlights are the light blue. Real light blue.
Okay.
And I'm going to put a little bit of highlight on the blue flowers and the purple flowers. Make some little tiny blue flowers, light blue flowers. And then that's pretty much it. And then we just have to finish out that eye. So once it's dry, you can go back. Let's see if mine's dry. Go back
Oh, mine is dry.
and
Do from purple.
do the closed eye.
Mine isn't dry yet.
And then there you have it. Little unicorn. My eye is still bleeding a little bit. This eye turned out a little bit better because it was a little drier. But now we know how to make a purple unicorn. Do you guys want to say bye?
Bye.
Thanks for painting with us.